Good morning, friends. Today we are going to be doing activity number 1, which is our water absorption. So in your bags, you should have a small bag that has lots of little goodies in it. Miss Shannon's going to move the camera onto the counter. That way you guys can see the counter space. All right, let's see. There we go. You can kind of see that. Miss Janet, grab something to kneel on. All right, friends. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my little baggie, and we are going to see what items absorb the water and what items do not. So if I get a little bit messy, ask mommies and daddies to help get you a small container with some water. And Miss Jan's going to lay out her items, and we are going to have a look. All right. So Miss Jan is going to use the straw to move the water. All these items. All right. So I'm going to just use the straw to pick up some of the items, and I'm going to put some drops on my foil. This is a piece of foil. I'm going to just put 3 little drops. I'll move the camera closer in just 1 second. And then this is a coffee filter. I'll put a few little drops on there. And this is a piece of fabric. Put a few drops on there. My cotton ball that I have over here. My piece of black paper. A piece of wax paper. And a plastic button. Alright, friends, do you guys have a prediction what you think will absorb the water and which ones will not? And Shannon is going to bring the camera over so my friends can see. Alright. So we'll start over here. We have the foil that Miss Janet put some water on. So my water drops. My coffee filter. The coffee filter looks different. Let's see. My cotton ball. The black paper. The wax paper, the plastic button, and the fabric. Alright, friends, and I'm going to lift them up and I'm going to show you, and we can see what happened to them. Alright, so the foil, let's see if it absorbed the water or not. Oh, you can see it fall off. This did not absorb the water. How come you think the water did not go through my foil? We have a coffee filter. Look what happened. You can see how the water went through it, made it very soft. It makes it fragile, so it can rip. How come you think the water went through the filter, but not the foil? And then I have a cotton ball. My cotton ball's all wet. See? The water went through my cotton ball. It absorbed the cotton ball, so I have 2 piles. The foil didn't, the coffee filter and the cotton ball both absorbed it. Then I have black paper. A little bit of it came off, but what happened to the rest? Look, it went through the paper. So this paper did absorb it also. Then I have this paper. No, that one fell right off. It came off my wax paper. So I have a question. If this is wax paper, this is construction paper, and this is a coffee filter paper, how come 2 of my papers absorbed water, but the wax paper did not absorb the water? You guys feel, maybe it feels different than the other paper? The wax protected it. And I have a plastic button. The water did not absorb through my plastic. It's gonna go over here. And then this one here, Miss Janet is a bit surprised. You guys can see I have my 2 drops of water on my fabric, and they just rolled right off. It's a little bit damp, not too bad though. Usually fabric absorbs the water. Maybe that's why it's damp. But my water kind of stayed on the top. Interesting. Alright, friends, let me know your predictions on why some of the material absorbed the water and some of the materials did not absorb the water. Let me know what materials you found surprising, which ones you liked to put the water on, and just let me know how you enjoyed your activity. All right, friends, I'll see you on Zoom.